Today, we going to review the top 5 best machine to clean laminate floor that you can choose the right one for your purpose. After spending 2 weeks of research and consumer survey, we compiled this list.
Number 1.
Bissell CrossWave. Bissell CrossWave is a wet-dry vacuum that dry vacuums dirt and debris and wet mop the sticky mess on demand. Whenever you wet mop the spilled drink or food items on laminate flooring, make sure to wash all the components of the CrossWave well immediately. Once the dirt dries, it's difficult to clean. Also, letting it dry hampers the life shelf of the machine. CrossWave is one of the best vacuum cleaners in the market. It vacuums varied dirt and debris, even the moderate-sized ones, with ease. We will claim it to be better than many top-quality vacuum cleaners.
Number 2.
MOOSOO Cordless Vacuum. This cordless vacuum by MOOSOO is a powerful vacuum with the most advanced motor and 2200 mAh battery. Make sure to empty the dirt bin every time you are done cleaning a room. It takes mere seconds to click the button. Never make the canister overfilled with dirt. It eventually clogs the whole system. The different parts and accessories make it a 4-in-1 cleaning machine. It basically is a stick vacuum with a large mop head and comfortable handle. Remove the handle from the stick mop, and you are now holding a handheld vacuum cleaner.
Number 3.
Tinico Cordless Wet-Dry Vacuum Cleaner. This one is a vacuum cleaner and a wet mop at the same time. It is a very lightweight cordless cleaner that is very easy to maneuver. Thus lifting it and cleaning the laminate floor is a breeze. As it is cordless, it is a given that you cannot clean the laminate flooring of every room at one go. So, use the quietness of it to the full potential by using the machine at sleeping hours. Divide your cleaning session into several periods for your own good.
Number 4.
Dyson V11 Animal Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. When it comes to vacuuming, Dyson V11 is hard to beat. It is a cordless stick vacuum with a powerful suction ability and long-lasting 7-cell lithium-ion batteries. Every tool plays its part in refusing to make it just a floor cleaner, rather makes it a versatile cleaning machine for cleaning every corner and edges of your whole house and car. The vacuum cleaner operates with the dynamic load sensor. This system is Dyson's very own and makes the cleaner sense the type of the floor. Sensing the floor changes the cleaner's motor speed automatically and ensures deep, thorough cleaning accordingly. It has twice the suction power, so the cleaner needed to sense which floor type needs how much, and it does precisely that.
Number 5.
Eureka NES215A Blaze Swivel Handheld. Eureka NES215A Blaze is a 3-in-1 vacuum cleaner with great suction power. Its innovative capture nozzle sucks almost everything from the laminate flooring, and the swivel head goes easy on your arms and back. Make sure to clean the filter after every cleaning session. That is the best way to get optimum suction power from the cleaner. It is a stick vacuum cleaner for cleaning the laminate flooring, a handheld vacuum for cleaning the specific areas, and a crevice tool for cleaning the edges and along the baseboards. It is versatile, basically a complete cleaning machine. Thanks for watching this video. We hope you like the best machine to clean laminate floor we select for this year. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to our channel to see more videos like this in the future. If you have any questions related to the best machine to clean laminate floor which is listed here, please leave a comment down below and we will get back to you as soon as possible.